So Dan, talk us through the safety features of this tap and just show us how it operates.
Okay, so there are two safety features on this tap. Now for the filtered water, you can just come up to the tap and open the water, okay, and it flows very safely. And then that locks off, okay, so I can turn that off and it's absolutely locked. For the boiling water to be dispensed, you need to remove the safety cap, press the button and twist the boiling water on, okay, so that will run the boiling water. And then when you're finished, you return it to the closed position, and again, that is now locked. So you can't just walk up and turn the water on for boiling water.
Even with the cap off?
No, because it's locked. You have to depress the button first of all.
Fine, so that's safety feature 1, and then belt and braces is the cap.
As an extra measure, you can apply the cap. Now that's good if you've got children in the household, for example. You pop that cap on there, they cannot access the button to operate that tap, unless they want filtered water.
Fine. And the spout, does it get hot when you run the boiling water?
No, the spout's insulated, as is the body, so you can run boiling water through the tap and the spout will remain cool throughout. The very tip will get hot eventually with a bit of heat transfer, but the rest of the body of the tap and the spout will stay cool.